phones to ring, okay? How to get more leads, how to get more jobs coming in. This is what everybody asks me when I teach classes and when I talk around the country to people on the phone. I need more leads. Today we're going to discuss just this one little area of your water damage business. Hopefully give you some ideas, some tips and strategies of how you can get your phones to ring, how you can network. Now, I'm going to give you 4 little areas here: plumbers, agents, websites, and pay-per-click campaigns. 4 of the areas that I've focused on in both of my mitigation companies in Utah and Colorado. First one is how to approach a plumber when you're either meeting them at the job or when you're on the phone cold calling to get them to get to know you. Now, agents, when we built from scratch our first mitigation company in Utah, nobody knew who we were. Okay, nobody knew who quality disaster cleanup was. So what we had to do is we had to figure out a unique and a different approach, something that no one else in the state of Utah had done up until then. Websites. Now you're going to have to decide for yourself, and I would highly recommend you get with your SEO company before you do anything that I mentioned here, or if you're not comfortable with the one you have, I would probably get another one if you're not getting good results. Okay, last one here is pay-per-click. Okay, a lot of you guys, I'm sure you tried it. I've done it. One month I spent $10,000 and did not get a very good return, and I shut it off. I didn't know what to do. So I'm going to teach you what I learned in Colorado that worked very well for me and worked very well for other companies that I've recommended this to over the last 6 months.